In this case, like I'm saying, the issue of abductions and the extrajudicial killings, and if that were to happen, I am very sure the country will get to know in greater detail what has not been stated so far. And that because there's opportunity for people to be asked questions, cross-examined, those who have recorded statements to be cross-examined on those statements, the veracity of those statements, and others who have information one way or the other to appear before that commission and explain things. I'm sure it will bring to a close all these issues that have been affecting many Kenyans. I've never seen anybody who I mentioned in my statement denying or even recording a statement that challenging the veracity of what I've stated. And that's why I think a commission of inquiry would be the best thing, because then we'll be able to test who is telling the truth and who is not. Yeah, I'm involved in those things usually. And unfortunately for me, and I'm not beginning, I don't just follow the president. Even when Uhuru was president, it was never my practice or habit to follow him wherever he went, because as a president he has a schedule of work. I also have a schedule of work when I was a speaker and even now. So unless it's something that touches the ministry that I'm in, I have no business trooping around to follow the president. No. I think on that one, I've always said I don't want to make any comment. I want Kenyans to make what they may, make their own inferences. Is it good for the country? It's said to bring unity. If that is so, Kenyans are at liberty to make judgments. I think it's not me. It's not for me to make a judgment on that. Let Kenyans decide what. Let Kenyans speak. We have already started saying what they have been saying. I read some people are expressing opinions, varying from one position to another, which is okay. It's very healthy. People are at liberty to make to hold whatever views. Early in the Constitution, in Article 11, and it is clearly stated that culture is the foundation of it helps in bringing people together. Yeah. So the fact that you have a different culture from another person does not make for enmity. It is to appreciate the cultures of all that makes that strong. Great moment to help also grow and maintain the culture of the Agikuyu. It's a very, very important occasion. I really salute the elders who came together with this idea.